Question number 51. A shopkeeper gives 2 articles free on the purchase of every 5 articles, and he also allows a discount of 20% to his customer, and he still earns a profit of 25%. Find the ratio of CP to MP of the article. So we already know the formula. CP upon MP is 100 minus discount percent upon 100 plus profit percent. So we have 100 minus discount is how much? Discount of 20% divided by 100 plus profit percent is 25%. So our CP to MP ratio is 80 upon 125. Now if you remember this formula, we don't need to calculate all this. We can directly calculate this in our mind. We know CP is 100 minus discount percent. So 100 minus 20 will give us 80. MP is 100 plus profit percent. 100 plus 25 will give us 125. So with practice, you can directly calculate all these things in mind. You don't need to do this. Now, in this question, it says a shopkeeper gives 2 articles free on the purchase of every 5 articles. So the customer will buy 5 articles and he will get free 2 articles. Total articles is 5 plus 2, 7 articles. Now in this question, the concept to solve the question will be, what we will do, this is our MP and this is our CP. They are in the ratio of 80 is to 125. Now what we will do, we will divide the CP by, we will divide 80 by total number of articles. Total number of articles. And we will divide MP by the number of articles purchased. Number of articles purchased is how much? 5 articles. Number of articles purchased. So here we will have 80 by total number of articles is 7. MP is 125. Number of articles purchased is 5. Now if we solve this, we will get 16 is to 7 5s are 35. So this is our CP and this is our MP. So in the question, we need to find the ratio of CP to MP of the article. So the ratio is 16 is to 35 and this is our answer. Question number 52. A shopkeeper gives 3 articles free on the purchase of every 5 articles and also allows a discount of 20% to his customer, and he still earns a profit of 25%. Find the ratio of CP to the MP of the article. So we know that CP is to MP is, CP is 100 minus discount percent. So 100 minus discount is 20%. 100 minus 20 will give us 80. And our profit is how much? 25%. So MP will be 100 plus profit percent. 100 plus 25 will give us 125. Now, as we have learned in our previous question, the concept is to divide MP by the number of articles purchased. So number of articles purchased and we will divide CP by the number of total number of articles. So 80 upon total number of articles is 3 articles free, purchase by is how many articles? 5 articles. So total is 5 plus 3, 8 articles. So CP we need to divide by total number of articles, which is 8, and our MP is 125. Number of articles purchased is 5. So if we solve this, so our answer is how much? CP is to MP will be 2:5. This is our CP and this is our MP. So this is our answer. Question number 53. A shopkeeper gives 1 article free on the purchase of every 15 articles. He also allows a discount of 4% to customer and still earns a profit of 35%. Find the ratio of CP to MP of the article. We know CP upon MP is 100 minus discount percent divided by 100 plus profit percent. So in this question our CP is how much? 100 minus discount percent, 100 minus 4%. So our CP is how much? 96. 100 minus 4. And the ratio of CP to MP is, our MP is how much? 100 plus profit percent. 100 plus profit of 35%. So 135. Now in such type of questions, the concept is we will divide the MP by number of articles purchased. Number of articles purchased. In this question it's how much? 15 articles. And we will divide CP by how much? We will divide CP by total number of articles. So if you know this concept, you don't need to write all this. I'm writing it for your explanation. So 96 divided by total number is how much? 15 articles is purchased by 15 articles and 1 article is free. So total is 15 plus 1, 16. So 16 here, 135 divided by number of articles purchased, 15. So if we solve this, we will get 16 6 are 96 and 15 9 are 135. We can again cut this, 3 2 are and 3 3 are. So CP is to MP is how much? 2:3. This is our CP and this is our MP. So this is our answer. Question number 54. A shopkeeper gives 4 articles free on the purchase of every 12 articles. He also allows a discount of 20% to customer and still earns a profit of 20%. Find the ratio of CP to MP of the article. So in this question we have CP, which is 100 minus discount percent. 100 minus discount is 20. 100 minus 20 will give us 80. Our MP is how much? 100 plus profit percent. 100 plus 20, 120. We need to divide CP by total number of articles. 12 plus 4 is 16. And we will divide MP by number of articles purchased, which is 12. So 16 5s are 80, 12 10s are, 5 1s are, 5 2s are. So our answer is 1:2. Question number 55. Assam Book Publication published 3,500 books for rupees 3,50,000 at CP. It gives 500 books free to some bookshops. It also allowed a discount of 25% on mark price and gives 1 book free for every purchase of 29 books. Find the amount of profit or loss if the MP of each book is rupees 160. So in this question, CP is how much? CP is 3,50,000. Total number of books published is 3,500. and they give free books 500. So how many books are left? Left is equal to 3500 minus 500, which is 3000. So this is for free, so they are selling only 3000 books in total. Now the question says it also allowed a discount of 25% on mark price. Discount given is 25% on MP and gives one book free for every purchase of 29 books. So sold is how much? 29 books. And they give one free. So in total they are giving 29 plus one free, which is 30 books. They gave 30 books while selling 29 books. So 30 into 100 will give us 3000. So 29 into 100 will give us how much? 2900. So they are actually selling 22,900 books, but they are providing 3000 books in total. And this is because of when they are selling 29 books, they are giving one book for free. Now the discount on mark price is 25%. Our mark price given is how much? 160. So 160 is our mark price. Discount is 25%. 25% in fraction we know it's 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 of mark price is 40 rupees. So 40 is our discount. So our selling price will be how much? Selling price we know the formula, mark price minus discount. So mark price is 160, discount is 40, so our selling price will be 120. So now selling price is 120 and our books in total is, they have sold how many? 2900 books. So our selling price will be how much? 120 into 2900 books. This will give us, we have 3 zeros, 12 9 are 108, 8, 12 2 are 24 and 10 is 34. So 3,48,000. So our SP is 3,48,000 and our CP is how much? 3,50,000. So there is a loss of how much? If we minus 3,48,000 from 3,50,000, the loss is rupees 2,000. So this is our answer. Question number 56. Decca Publication published 5,000 books for rupees 5 lakh. He gave 500 books free to some booksellers. He was able to sell 2/3 of the remaining books at 20% discount and the remaining books on MP, mark price. Find the profit percent of the publisher if he gave 20% discount of the total SP to salesmen as incentive if mark price of the book is rupees 200. So in this question we have our CP as rupees 5 lakh. Total books published is how much? 5,000. Total books 5,000. He gave 500 books free. So free is how much? 500. So left is 4,500 which he needs to sell. Now he was able to sell 2/3 of the remaining books at 20% discount. So our books is how much? 500. Now 2/3, this will be 1/3. So 2/3 of 4,500 will be how much? 3,000. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So 2/3 is 3,000. So this one will be 1,500. So it says 2/3 of the remaining book at 20% discount. Our mark price given is 200 rupees. Now discount is how much? 20%. 20% we know it's 1 by 5. 1 by 5 into 200. So this is how much? 5 4s are 20. So our selling price will be MP minus discount. 200 minus 400 will be 160. So 3000 books is sold at 160 rupees. So this will give us 16 3s are 48. 4,80,000, and this book it's sold in MP. The remaining books sold on MP. Our MP is mark price is 200. So 15 2s are 33 lakhs. So our total SP will be how much? Total SP will be this plus this. So 7,80,000. So our total SP is this much. Now the question says the publisher gave 20% discount of the total SP to the salesman as incentive. So out of this total 7,80,000, 20% is given to the salesman. 20% we know again it's 1 by 5 in fraction. So if we multiply this, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30. So 1,56,000 is given as incentive to the salesman. This is given to the salesman. So our remaining will be how much? 7,80,000 minus 1,56,000. So if we subtract this, 7,80,000 minus 1,56,000. So 6,24,000 is left. This is our SP after giving the incentive to the salesman. Now our CP is 5 lakhs. So our profit will be how much? Our profit will be profit is equal to 1,24,000 SP minus CP. So our profit is 1,24,000, and if we need to find our profit percent, profit upon CP is how much? 5 lakh into 100. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. If we divide 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, 5 8s are 40. So our profit percent is 24.8%, and this is our answer. Question number 57. A retailer purchased 70 pens at the mark price of 56 pence from a wholesaler, and the retailer sells them to customer at mark price. Find the profit percent of the retailer. In this question, let's say CP of one pen is rupees 1. So the retailer purchased how many pens? 70 pens, and 70 pens will cost rupees 70. But the retailer didn't pay this much. What he paid was the mark price of 56 pence. So the retailer paid only rupees 56, but he purchased 70 pence. So that means rupees 70 is our mark price. Whatever he purchased, that is our mark price, and this is our cost price, the cost price of the retailer. Now this retailer, what he did, he sold it to the customer on mark price. So that means this became the selling price of retailer, and this is the CP of retailer. So this is our CP and this is the SP. So SP is greater than CP. So SP minus CP will give us our profit. So our profit will be how much? 70 minus 56 is 14. And if we need to take out the profit percent, we need to find the profit percent. So profit percent will be profit upon CP. CP is 56 into 100. 14 ones are 14 fours are 1 by 4, we know it's 25%. So profit percent is how much? 25%. This is our answer. Now in this question we can directly find our CP and MP. Now in this question it says a retailer purchased 70 pence at the mark price of 56 pence. So whatever amount is purchased, that will be our mark price. You can directly say mark price is 70 and our CP is how much? Mark price of 56 pence. So you can directly say CP is 56 and MP is 70. So the customer, the retailer sold it at mark price, so this will be the SP for retailer. So directly you can say there is a profit of 14 units. So 14 upon 56 into 100. This is the profit percent. 1 by 4 is equal to 25%. Question number 58. A wholesale dealer sells 40 pence at the mark price of 36 pence and the retailer sells them to customer at 1% discount. Find its profit percent. So in our previous question we have learned that in such type of questions our mark price will be the number of articles or the pens sold. So here it's 40. So MP is 40 units and the cost price of the retailer will be, or the selling price of the wholesale dealer will be the mark price of 36 pence. So this is paid by the retailer, 36. Now there is a discount of 1% when the retailer is selling it to the customer. So let's do one thing to make our calculation easy. Let's multiply both this and this by 10. So we will get a whole number. 400 is our MP and 360 is our CP. Now the retailer sells them to customer at 1% discount. So 1% discount of MP, which is 400, will be how much? 4. This is our discount. So SP will be how much? Mark price minus SP will be mark price minus discount. So MP is 400, discount is 4, so SP will be 396. Now this is our SP and this is our CP. Our SP is greater, so there is a profit. The profit is how much? 36 units. So we need to find the profit percent. So profit percent is profit upon CP. CP is 360 into 100. So 1 by 10. 1 by 10 we know it's 10%. So 10% profit. Question number 59. A man sells 2 articles, first at 15% loss and second at 19% profit. During the whole transaction he bears a loss of rupees 90 if he sells both articles at same price. Then find the CP of the second article. So in this question we have 2 articles. The first article is sold at 15% loss. Now 15% means 15 upon 100, and if we minimize this, 5 3s are and 5 20s are. So 3 upon 20. There is a loss, so minus. This is our loss, 3 units. This is our CP. So in this question we have 2 articles. The first article, now CP is 20. There is a loss. Loss is 3. So minus. So our SP is how much? 20 minus 3, 17. Now the second article is sold at 19% profit. 19% profit. So 19% is 19 upon 100. There is a profit plus. So this is our profit This is our CP. So if we compare the second article, our CP is how much? 100. There is a profit. Profit means plus. So 19 plus our SP will be how much? 119. CP plus profit is our SP. Now in such type of questions, in the question it says if he sells both article at same price, so our SP is same, this and this is same. So in this case what we need to do, we need to make our SP same. So in order to make our SP same, what we will do, we will multiply this by 7. 17 into 7 gives us 119. So that is the reason you need to learn the tables minimum till 30. You need to learn by heart, because in examination you don't have time to calculate these things. It will save you, at least 2-3 seconds or 4-5 seconds. So that's why always remember the tables minimum till 30. Now in this question, this SP is multiplied by 7. So we need to multiply this by 7 as well and this by 7. So this will give us 140, this will give us 21, and this will give us 119. So now our SP is same, this one and this one is same. Now the question says during the whole transaction he bears a loss of rupees 90. Now there is a loss of rupees 90 in the whole transaction. Now if we see here, the loss is 21 and our profit is 19 units. Now there, if we take the difference 21 and 19, there is a difference of 2 units, and because of these 2 units difference, there is a loss of rupees 90. So 2 units represents rupees 90 loss. So 1 unit will represent how much? 90 upon 2 will give us rupees 45. And in this question we need to find the CP of second article. Second article CP is 100 units. So 100 into 45, 1 unit is 45. So this will give us rupees 4500 as our answer. The CP of second article is rupees 4500. Question number 60. A man sells 2 articles, first at 20% loss, second at 60% profit. Find their SP if the difference between their CP is rupees 3200 and if the SP of both the articles are same. So in this question we have 2 articles. First is sold at 20% loss. 20% loss means in fraction it's 1 by 5. 1 is our loss and 5 is our CP. So in this question we have first article. The first article is our CP is 5. Our loss is minus 1. So our SP will be 5 minus 1, 4. And the second article is sold at 60% profit. 60% profit. So 60% in fraction is 3 by 5. There is a profit, so this is plus. So this represents profit and this represents our CP. So our second article CP is how much? 5. Our profit is plus 3 and our SP will be how much? 5 plus 3. SP is CP plus profit, so this is 8. Now in such type of questions we need to make our SP equal, because in the question it says SP of both the articles are same. So this is 8 and this is 4. So we will have to multiply this by 2. 4 2s are 8. So we need to multiply this by 2 as well and this by 2. 5 2s are 10. 1 2s are 2. Okay. Now in this question it's given find their SP if the difference between their CP is rupees 3200. Difference between their CP. So one CP is 10 units and the other CP is 5 units. So difference is how much? 5. So our according to question, 5 units represents rupees 3200. Because of this 5 units difference, there is a difference of rupees 3200. So 5 unit represents this much. So 1 unit will be 3200 divided by 5. This will give us 5 6 are 30, 5 4 are 20. So 1 unit is rupees 640. So we need to find their SP. Our SP is same, 8 units. This is also 8. SP is same. So 8 into 640. 1 unit is 640. So 8 units will be 8 into 640. 8 4s are 32. 8 6 are 48. 51. So our SP is how much? Rupees 5120. This is our answer.